When you hear the name Genie Garage Door Openers, you might think big corporation, out of touch with the community. But I'm here to tell you that that is wrong, because we are at the home of the winner of the Genie RedZone contest, and this particular homeowner won an amazing smart garage door opener, the Genie 4124, and in this video, we're going to unbox it, install it, and show you how it works. Let's party. So you use this as the doorway into your entry into your home. Yeah, okay. And so that makes a lot of sense because the garage door is considered as the front door to anyone's home. And so I tend to make sure that it's working as safe as possible so that way, you know, you're not having to deal with issues. Correct. We're going to get this knocked out for you, Daniel.
All right.
We're excited. Yeah.
Very much.
So this motor is kind of loud.
Now, before we get into the job, one of the first things that we like to do is we like to set up our customer with a job notification. And the way we do that is with our CRM platform, Jobber. Now, Jobber has changed the game for us. And the reason why we say that is that through our Jobber platform or our software portal, we're able to send and set up our customer, send a notification to him, an email, a text message, giving him the details of the scope of work of the job, what exactly we're actually going to do on site. And in addition to that, we provide them all of the information necessary so that if they want to get a quote right up front, if they want pricing, we can do that straight in our Jobber app. And what I really like about that feature is that, again, the customer is aware of all of the things that we are looking to offer them. Of course, they can decide whether they're going to accept it or not, but when we're thinking about the job and setting up the details for the job, they have all the information at their fingertips, which is a powerful tool. It's really stepped up our professionalism within our company, and more than anything, it's allowed our customers to have more trust or to build trust with our customers so that way we can continue to get business from them. So this is the Genie 4124 Smart Garage Door Opener. This happens to be their 140-volt operator, and as you can tell, it is a beast. One of the things that I really like about this Smart Garage Door Opener is that motion sensor right there that they'll be able to utilize whenever they come into their garage. It's a really nice feature. We have our battery backup connection right there with our battery backup right on top. And that's an awesome feature because that battery backup is going to give them the necessary strength and power so that way they can lift up this belt drive operator. This unit also comes with Aladdin Connect. And Aladdin Connect is my favorite smart garage door app because this will allow you to get notifications. It'll allow you to open and close your garage door remotely from anywhere. And this particular platform will still work with Google Home, Siri, Alexa. You're not closed out. You're able to connect it with third-party apps. It is truly a smart home eco-friendly system. And I can't speak enough about Aladdin Connect because I use it every day on a personal level. And now that this Genie 4124 comes equipped with this specific homeowner, this specific contest winner is going to have all the bells and whistles up front. He's not going to have to add anything because Genie took care of him. Some of the features that I appreciate about this specific garage door opener come from the multifunction wall button. And this multifunction wall button will give you the opportunity or the ability to be able to turn on and off the light, which is really great. Of course, you have your illuminated wall button, so that way you're not having to fidget around to find where you can press your wall button. And of course, it has the lock feature, and that lock feature will lock your remotes out. And of course, that is a great, I would say, security feature whenever you're having to go on vacation or if you're going away for a long time. No one's going to be able to open up the garage door with that lock feature engaged. Of course, when it's unlocked, Now, Genie's going to give you the ability to be able to utilize this new remote transmitter. But if you have an older remote transmitter like this, or any type of transmitter that works on the 310 or the 390 frequency, Genie's going to be able to get you taken care of. And what I really like about this new remote transmitter is that it's very sturdy, super strong. You can stick it onto your visor. This is more for like your keychain type remote transmitters, but this is the way to go. And I really appreciate that Genie changed this style because it's more robust, and I think it's going to withstand, I would say, more wear and tear as you utilize these remote transmitters. Last but not least, this belt drive garage door opener is super quiet. As you can tell, the way it closes, the way it maneuvers, that slow start, slow stop feature allows the door to smoothly transition from the up and down position. I just can't talk enough about that because it's probably one of my most favorite features when I am talking about the Genie garage door openers. It's smooth operation. It's definitely going to be able to give you a quiet, smooth experience for years to come. So we are here in Whittier, California with Mr. Reyes. He is the winner of this amazing Genie Smart Garage Door Opener. I just wanted to congratulate you, Mr. Reyes, on your new garage door opener. Were you surprised?
Yes, very much so. Very much so.
That's awesome. And I think you're going to really enjoy this garage door opener. In fact, I'm going to just show you how it operates. I want you to tell me how quiet it is.
It's 100% quieter than my old one. Okay, this is really soft.
Yeah, yeah.
If I can use that word. It was soft.
Yeah. And I think you'll find that this experience from Genie is, I mean, it's going to last like this for a long time. There's really not a lot of maintenance that they require. Of course, you want to maintenance your garage door, but knowing that the garage door operator works like a tugboat, there's really not a lot that you're going to have to do to it. And the great thing about this particular model is that this is the pro grade version. So you're going to get that pro warranty from Genie. You're going to get all of the bells and whistles that come with a pro grade experience. And I think every time this unit opens and closes, I mean, listen to that. That's pretty awesome.
It is quiet.
Really is. I'm glad you think so. I'm glad you
I
think so.
do a double check when I close it at night.
There you go. There you go. Again, congratulations, and thanks to Genie for making this happen.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
So this was a fantastic project, and I'm really glad that we got to be a part of it. In fact, I have to give kudos to the Genie company for running their contest and making this a part of it. And I have to give a big shout out to our channel sponsor, Jobber. Again, Jobber is a robust CRM that has really changed how we do business. In fact, if you have a home service business or any type of business, I believe Jobber is perfect for you. So if you're interested in the Jobber CRM platform, there's a link down in the description where you can definitely check it out. In fact, they have a free trial that you can sign up. It's super awesome. It's made our business way better. Of course, when we're talking about like garage door openers, there's a number of great Genie garage door products. And in fact, Genie makes, for me, the best wall mount garage door opener. But why? Why do I think Genie makes the best wall mount garage door opener? Well, check out that video right here. As always, I want to thank y'all for partying with me. Y'all stay safe.